In this video, I will show you how to create a project in Bitrix24. First, log into your Bitrix24 account. Once you're on your dashboard, look to the right side of your screen where the menu is located. From that list, find Tasks and Projects and click on it. This will open up a new pop-up window. At the top of the window, you will see a set of options. Click on Projects and just below it, click the Create button. A pop-up will appear where you can manage and start creating your project. Here you will see three options: Project, Collaboration, and Work Group. Select Project to continue. The first step is choosing your project details. Enter a project name, choose a visual theme, and add a project icon. You can also write a description for your project. Once done, click Next. The second step is setting your privacy options. You can make your project public, private, or hidden. Choose one and click Next. The third step is managing your team. Click on Add Employee to assign members to your project. After that, click Next one more time and your project will be created successfully. And that's how to create a project in Bitrix24.